welcome to Pocket Woman Lockpicking and Locksport. Today's package today from Bare Bones Lockpicking. Check them out. Awesome gear. Before I went away for my house sitting, pet sitting, I ordered some stuff from Bones and then realised I wouldn't be here to accept it, so I asked Bones to hold on to it until I was available. Well, things didn't go to plan and I had to return home and I still wasn't available. Life has just been dishing it out. So I then ordered some more stuff, as you do. So there's a big box and it is sitting on my chair. It is so big. So let's get into it. I don't actually remember what I ordered, but that's okay. Okay, now I do know what I've ordered. I've got the list. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. Bones has done it again. They've chucked in a heap of stuff that is just awesome. Now I ordered the new case, but Bones, and I ordered the sunglasses case because I needed another one of those because I use them. The two I got, I use them all the time. They are fantastic for putting in bags and stuff. But then Bones got a new case, so I wanted to try that one out. But Bones has doubled up and sent me two. So let's check out this case. This is nice. It's got Bare Bones on it. See, I've got this case because I'm thinking these will fit in. Oh yes, they will. Protected. My handles, my long ones that don't fit in these, will fit in these. Awesome. Locks, all sorts of things can fit in this little case. It's nice. It's hard. It's protected. That is very cool. And then the sunglasses case with lots of goodies in it. Oh, Bones. This is a very cool torch. I use them all the time. They are just too cool. Got Bones on them. Bottle openers, other little levery things. These are actually good for other things as well. Cool, I can put these in my giveaways. Okay. Wow, this is cool. This is a key multi-tool utility key. Swiss tech. So it's, it's the good stuff. How do you get it open? Oh, use your fingernails. Oh wow, it's a little grubby. So you've got that tool there, you've got that tool there. Ah, that's sharp. That is sharper still. And you've got a screw, Phillips. Wow. And you've got a bottle opener, can opener there. That is very cool. That'll go in my EDC pocket for sure. Oh, thank you for putting that in. Oh, I love stuff like that. Gizmos, gadgets, and of course, get me another one for the giveaway. Another torch for the giveaway. because I'm coming up to a major giveaway, and I have my original bones, the original bare bones set. I finally found them to go in the giveaway, so it is going to be a big giveaway. And another bones patch, because I've got multiple mollies. That is very cool. Thank you for putting those in. That's awesome. Oh, these cases, they're so handy. And doubled up. It's weighty. So check this out. So you know how I have these ones, which are the bone yolk. Well, I noticed on the Bones' site that they had another version called the sternum. And I thought, because I love the feel of those. Look at that. This is going to be comfy. Oh, that's a good grip there, isn't it? That's a clever. And this is and grip there. So depending whether your pin's down or pin's up, you've got a good grip. That is nice. That is nice. That is nice. Has a different feel on it than this. This one has a more softer, smoother, gentler feel. I'm very tactile, so materials and things, I only wear certain materials and things on my body because my body doesn't like lots of things. So this is nice and smooth. This is a different finish to this, but it feels comfortable. And all of this, the sternum work, makes it extremely grippy. You've got a really good hold in your hand. That is awesome. Thank you. I love that. And a second case. Oh, I like that. Bare bones, Australian pickers. Oh, cool as. I ordered the new, I think this is called the bone shank. Oh, cool, it's got bare bones written on it. So this is a disassembly tool. That is not sharp. So that's the blade. So this is going to help with getting things off and stuff. It is a nice size handle. It fits nicely across there. Good grip on things. So I'm going to be playing around to see what sort of things we can easily disassemble with this tool. Very nice. Bones knows how much I love these sort of handles. These are for the Law Lock Tools picks. And I can show you the reaction here. So that's the original. Turn them up the right way. So that's what it looks like. Very nice. So if I score myself some more Law Lock Tool stuff, I've got pick holders for them. Awesome, awesome. So these are all my bones handles for my Law Lock Tools. Someone wanted me to go in depth, do an in-depth review of those. So yeah, that's on the cards. There's all this other stuff in here. Okay. Where'd the sheet get? Oh, I've lost the sheet that told me what I ordered. Okay, so these are the new hooks. These are the new ones that Bones has specifically brought out so that you're able to pick by locks. Yes, indeed. We're going to go by lock picking, people. Look how nice and thin those shanks are. Get in there. I reach. Nice, nice thin. That is just brilliant. Brilliant to have a specific picks to do by locks. Thank you very much for that. And these are okay. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, very. Look at that. How cool is that? Australasian pickers. Bare bones. Wow. That is awesome. So this is their hook set. Looks like a new hook set actually, because that's a different design. These are different designs. These are thinner, higher reaches. So these are the new deeper hooks that Bones have put out. Oh, that's very awesome. How cool is that etching? Oh, thank you. That is very cool. What else has Bones done? Oh my god, it's like, it's a bare bones Christmas. I need my blade back. Ooh, these are nice. Okay, so these are three of those deeper hooks that I just showed you. In handles. So this is the new Bones handle. The coffin handles. They've got a new colour. This is awesome to tell the picks apart from the original black and white for the two different sizes. These, you can just pick these up and go, yep, there's what I need. So they are the bilock ones in these. Very, very cool. Thank you for those. Oh, look at this. Wow. Okay, it just keeps getting better. Oh, I've lost my blade again. How is my blade? No, I'll tell you what, today I'd lose my head if it wasn't screwed on. It's only the start of the day. Fun times. Oh, wow. Look at those. The colour is just awesome. Oh, I'm loving the green. And you can see through them. Wow. Okay, so this is these four. In coffin green clear handles. Oh, very nice. So you can put them in normal femurs or use them in the handles. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, stunning green colour. Wow. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, yes. Haha, this is the ferrule tension wrench. Ferrule, because I'm thinking it was designed by Ferrule Shooter. Awesome Aussie picker, I'm guessing. So this is nice and wide, got lots of control. That is very, very cool. Oh, look at that. Just lovely. Lovely. Haha. And this awesome case. But wait, there is more. So I hope you grabbed your coffee for this one, because it's not a short unboxing or wow. Alright. Okay, found this. So I ordered one of the Bones casket cases with the logo Bare Bones Australasian Pickers. I ordered one of the Bones casket case. Oh, so I ordered two of them. The Bone Shank disassembly tool, ferrules top of the keyway tension wrench, lockpick handles the sternum, budget EDC case, which is the glasses case, and all the rest ferrules thrown in. But also I ordered this, but then Bones said, nah, the cost is covered. Check this out. Okay, for a limited time, Bones has these. It's got a flexi shaft. It's a rotary tool with a flexi shaft, and it's the whole kit and caboodle. That is cool. And they're selling at an awesome price that made it extremely affordable. So I couldn't resist but upgrade my little tiny one to something I can clamp down and do my challenge locks with. So we're going to just bring you down here and around here to my chair. Stay there. Holder. Don't move. That's close enough. Let's have a blow pick inside. How we get in from the front is always good. So this is neat. So this can be sort of, I don't have to take 101 little boxes with me. I can just take this with me. Oh wow, this is going to last a lifetime of lockpicking and making challenge locks. Look at all this. Everything's all accessible. Some room to put extras. Easily grabbed. I have trouble getting them out of those flat containers, and because everything's wedged in. This is just pull out, pull on, and then you lift this up, and there's your gear. Wow. Look at this. Comes with a stand for a flexi shaft. Oh, that is so easy to grab, to hold on to with your hand. gee, it's got some good machining in it. Zing. Okay, it is multi-speed. That's what we want. Multi-speed. Wow. Detroit. This is very cool. Got the actual stand and everything. Wow. This is awesome to have. This, along with my challenge lock modification kit and some tools that J. Gabriel sent me, will be what you will see me use to make my challenge locks. Wow, what an awesome parcel from Bare Bones for lockpicking. This is so cool. Thank you so much for all the extra bonus. I am just loving these picks. These are gonna make pick and buy locks and other locks a game changer. This disassembly tool, so comfortable to hold. That's what you want. You want comfort, you know. And that's what Bare Bones brings to Locksport. Comfort, you know. It's their tools are comfortable to use. Picks are comfortable, functional. Wow, specific picks for blocks. Ah, Bones, thank you so much. Greatly appreciated this. Wow. Okay, just going to keep saying wow because I'm speechless. So if you want to stick around for the next 5 minutes, I'm going to keep saying wow. Ah, this is bloody awesome. Thank you very much, Bare Bones. Above and beyond again. Wow. Okay. Thanks for watching, everyone. Get on to Bones. You'll be happy you did. Thanks for watching. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.